What's the meaning of Boolean? Boolean. Boolean.
Boolean. Boolean. Boolean refers to a type of data that can only have one of two values, true or false. It is named after the mathematician and logician George Boole, who developed a system of algebraic logic that formed the basis of modern computer science. In computer programming, Boolean values are used to control the flow of program execution by determining whether certain conditions are true or false. They are also used in database queries and search algorithms to filter data according to specific criteria. Understanding Boolean logic is essential for anyone involved in computer science, as it forms the basis of many programming languages and software systems.